Hey everybody, Stephen here. I'd like to share with you a really fun and simple DIY to transform your tablecloths, your runners, even placemats and napkins. All you need are just these very simple, either linen or cotton napkins with no pattern or no texture on it. That's another very important thing. So from here, because summer is in full swing, we have all kinds of leaves in the garden. So what you want to do is you want to go into the garden and you want to pick things like ferns, maybe a nice big hosta leaf, or even these ones here, which I believe are called carpet. I just love the colors of these. But what we're looking for is something with a very heavy veining pattern on the back, which you can see here, and even on the hosta has a really nice rib pattern, because what we're gonna be doing is transforming those or transferring the vein leaf into the fabric. So really simple. So from here, we're gonna take fabric paint. Now this you can get at most art supply stores. I just have a sap green color. You can use any color you want. And again, fabric paint is specifically designed to really hold onto fabric and to really do the wear and tear for the washing. So apply a very thin coat of the paint to the back of the leaf. And once it's completely coated, a nice even coat, we're gonna transfer it onto our fabric. Here I just have a regular cut piece of fabric. Just get a piece of paper towel, lay it on top, and then with a rolling pin, gently press on the back of the leaf. Firmly, but not too much. And from here, we can remove the paper and very gently peel back the leaf. And look at the incredible detail and the pattern that you get on here. Again, from here, you can add more leaves, you can add some of the fern branches, and you can see here, I did one with a few ferns. I did a wonderful placemat here just in solid green. Once this is completely dry, what you want to do is let it air dry, and then with a very hot iron, you can flip it over and iron on the back side with a very hot iron. This will actually heat set the ink into the fabric and make it that much more durable during washing. So here you go with a really simple project, fantastic to transform any table, and can I say, what a great holiday gift.